Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram, Hey Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. We want the attention of the God of sound, who's ever victorious and noble. I have decided that my notes on the Ramayana, as summarized by C. Rajagopalachari, and originally in 24,000 couplets, by Valmiki. Well, I've come to the conclusion that my notes are too hard to read all at once, and I've made enough mistakes that I am just going to render things into one program for this. I'm going to say the names of the chapters: Conception, Sage Viswamitra, Rama leaves home, Rama slays the monsters, Sita's appearance, the descent of the Ganges, Ahalya's curse, Rama wins Sita's hand, Parasurama's discomfiture, festive preparations, Manthara's evil counsel, Kaikeyi succumbs, wife or demon, Rama relinquishes the throne, Rama's counsel, Sita resolves to join Rama, and they start for the forest, Rama, Sita, and Lakshmi alone. Oh, Lakshmana alone. See, we make a mistake listening to the titles. At Chitrakuta Hill, Kausalya's grief, Dasaratha's past mistake. Amala Bhakta Dasa has his narrations on a website nowadays, or perhaps he has passed and a disciple of his has posted his narrating of the books for the benefit of others. Dasaratha's last mistake. Bharata arrives home. The intrigue fails. Bharata suspected. Ram and Bharata meet. Bharata becomes Rama's deputy. The end of Rakshasa Virana. I probably made these notes in 2011. 10 years pass. Surpanaka desires Rama. Rama destroys Kara and his army. Ravana promises vengeance. The golden deer, remember the deer that was used to distract Jatayu, tries to save Sita, and Sita means something. Ravana has Sita closely guarded. Rama becomes disconsolate. Jatayu dies. The princess meets Hanuman, broken jaw. Rama's recognition of Sita's jewels. Sugriva's doubts are cleared. Vali is slain. Tara's grief. Rama's anger. The search for Sita begins. Hanuman, son of Vayu. The search in Lanka. Sita in the Ashoka Park. Ravana tries to seduce Sita. Hanuman's astute plan. Sita comforted. Sita and Hanuman. Hanuman invites a battle. The terrible envoy. Hanuman is arrested. Lanka is set afire. The Vanaras celebrate. Rama receives the news. The Vanara army advances. Anxiety in Lanka. Ravana calls a council again. Vibhishana, Ravana's brother. The Vanaras doubt. Rama graces Vibhishana. Or is that embraces? The miraculous causeway. One of the miracles of it is that they get the right period of its construction, which indicates that pre-modern humans passed on information to modern humans, or it backs up the claims of Revelation being at least at the start of some of these traditions. The battle begins. Sita's joy, perilous serpent arrows. Ravana is defeated. Rumbaka Karna is rousted. Is Rama Narayana? Well, regardless which form, name, quality, whatever that we refer to divinity with, we are still referring to the same divinity, aren't we? Indrajit is slain. Rama destroys Ravana. The end and the epilogue. And so, because this is commentary filling this, I can actually share of this.